Hello there and welcome back to another Kubernetes video. So in this video, or the idea for this video was that I was looking for a way to visualize my Kubernetes environment. And at first, the spec 8 package was what I found. But unfortunately, when I deployed it, it was last updated 5 years ago. It was unable to show basically the. Maybe I will do some digging, but it was not able to visualize my Kubernetes cluster. So then I found KubeView. And I would like to show you how you can set this up. So here we are on the K8s master. And with sudo su kubectl get nodes. Everyone is ready for the party. And what I want to do is to basically install Helm on my Kubernetes cluster. In order to install Helm, we have like a pretty straightforward setup. I'm just looking for the right commands. So we need to install Git, set the verify checksum to false, and then use curl to get the binary, make sure it is executable, and then use the get helm.sh. And once Helm is installed, we can add the repository for KubeView, and then we are going to be able to connect to it. So technically, these are the commands: helm repo add, helm repo update, and we are going to use helm install KubeView. And technically, the chart is going to deploy everything into the default namespace, but it will have access to the entire Kubernetes cluster via the API. What I would change is to install it in a separate namespace, but for the demonstration's sake, it should be good. So once we have this installed, we have a load balancer IP that we can connect to. And we say that to the browser, where is the browser? That we want to use HTTP, K8s master, and the port. And that is going to be HTTP. Oh, maybe the systemctl stop firewall-d. Oh, it's still in container creating status. Now it's running. And we are here at KubeView. So if we go to the default namespace, you can see that we have a deployment which has one replica set, and basically we are controlling with the help of the pod. And the next thing that I want to do is to create a Jenkins deployment in a separate namespace. So kubectl create namespace Jenkins and create the jenkins.yaml. And inside the jenkins.yaml, we have the namespace specified, and it's going to be a stateful set. So kubectl apply -f jenkins, and kubectl get all -n jenkins is going to show that the pod is container creating. One more thing. Oh boy. Jenkins. And we have the volume claim set up. Good. I thought I have copied the wrong one. Then the service.yaml is going to show this one. And kubectl apply -f service. And now we have the Jenkins service created. Let's check the namespace. It's perfectly fine. Pod is running. Stateful set is done. And if you go back to the KubeView and do a refresh, we have the Jenkins namespace. And this is basically how it looks like. That's going to be the service which is going to provide access. And it is going to connect to the pod. It has a persistent volume claim and a stateful set deployment. So technically that's it. It's pretty straightforward. You can select your own namespace and then basically change between the layouts, mesh, tree. You can even use the fit view, take a screenshot if you organize your things. So I think this is a pretty neat way to take a look at your Kubernetes cluster and your deployments and your namespaces. So that's all that I wanted to show you. See you in the next one.